What is an idiom? How do native English speakers just know how to use idioms? I'm about to show you 5 common, well-known idioms that you can use in daily conversation to sound more American. Let's go! Welcome back to Speak American with Anu. I am Anu, your dramatic linguist, and I am here to tell you today about 5 well-known common idioms you can use in daily conversation. An idiom is really just a collection of words where the meaning of the phrase is different from the meaning of all the words. Take, for example, up in the air. Does that literally mean up in the air? No. It means something is undecided. I can think of about 100 different body idioms, just body idioms, off the top of my head. That's how much we use them. Here's an idiom for you. I just love that I used an idiom while I was explaining idioms. Stick around to the end of this video to learn my favorite body idiom. The first idiom is on the tip of my tongue. It's on the tip of my tongue. What do you think this means? I'll give you 5 seconds. What is that word? It's on the tip of my tongue. Oh, idiom. Our second idiom is to get it off your chest. I have to get this off my chest. Sam, I just have to get this off my chest. I don't think we should be together anymore. Our third idiom is I have a gut feeling. Gut is another word for stomach. I have a gut feeling about this. I'm going to do really well on that test. I have a gut feeling about this. But it's not always positive. I'm going to fail this test. I have a gut feeling about this. Number 4, pulling your leg. I'm just pulling your leg. Your new haircut? It looks terrible. I'm just pulling your leg. It looks great. And finally, we have dragging your feet. I am dragging my feet. Ugh. I have to go to work. Ugh, I am dragging my feet. How did you do? Did you guess them all correctly? In just a moment, I am going to reveal my favorite body idiom. Don't forget to like this video and, of course, subscribe to my channel. I publish new fun short videos every Thursday. Flying by the seat of my pants means I'm doing something without any real planning, and I have no idea how it's going to turn out. That's not something I'm very good at. I'm building a YouTube channel while learning how to make YouTube videos. I'm flying by the seat of my pants. Leave a comment below with one idiom that you are going to use in daily conversation. Until then, practice makes progress.